Congressman Paul, who's right?
I think they're all wrong. I think this is a typical result of when you get government involved, because all you're arguing about is which form of government you want. They have way too much confidence in government sorting this out. So I would say there's a much better way, and that is allow the people to make their decisions and not get the government involved. You know, it's only been... when I started medicine, there was no Medicare or Medicaid, and nobody was out in the streets without it. Now people are suffering. You know, all the complaints going on. So the government isn't our solution. So I'm not too happy with this type of debate, trying to blame one versus the other. But most likely, we're going to continue to have this problem unless we straighten out the economy.
I'll give you 30 seconds.
Cut the spending. And they talk about these no programs and all. But how many of the other candidates are willing to cut anything? Right. I'm willing to cut $1 trillion out of the first year.
All right. No, I just want to say that I actually think if you look at what Ron Paul's background is as a doctor, and you look at medicine in the early 60s, and you look at how communities solve problems, it was a fundamentally more flexible and less expensive system, and there's a lot to be said for rethinking from the ground up the entire approach to health care.